This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Corn, lettuce, and pumpkins. Oh my. Help me harvest them all. Okay. Each plant will have either one piece of corn, one head of lettuce, or one pumpkin. Variety. Now let's pay attention to this. We already have one block, our win run block, and we can only have up to 9. All right. First, let me see how many blocks I have to move. You can kind of count them, but honestly, like always, I like being wrong while coding because it's always okay. So I'm just going to throw down a bunch of move forwards. I think I have 4, 5, 6. Test stuff out. Break stuff. Oh, I almost got to the end. 1, 2. Okay, so it must be 7 moves to the end. Okay, but I'm not picking anything up. So once again, let me reset here. And it looks like in 2 steps, I'm going to guess that it's corn, and I don't know, in 2 more, and 1 step after that, maybe a pumpkin. It's kind of hard to figure out, though, what is next. Up, and see this is going to be an issue. Let me step through. Forward, forward, pick corn. I got that one. Forward, pick a pumpkin. But this isn't a pumpkin, so I get stuck. All right, let's do a few things. I know I need to move forward 7 times, so I'm going to get rid of this entirely. And I can use a repeat to go, did I say, I think 7, right? And what this does, anything inside of this pink mouthish thing will repeat over and over. So let me show you. I'll drop move forward in here. And now when I hit run, I should move forward 7 times. Zoop! Perfect. Now I need to pick stuff, but I don't know what's going to be there. We already saw if I put pick corn here, I'm going to have a problem right away. Move forward. And it says no corn and it has an issue. So I need to ask a question. I need to know if there is corn there. Ta-da! This is an if statement. It's perfect. So I'm going to move forward and I'm going to ask the computer, hey, is there any corn here? If there is corn, the computer will say true, and it will only do this line of code. So then, if there is corn, do pick corn. Else. Well, else is what happens if there's not corn. So either there is corn and the computer says true and I pick the corn, or maybe there's nothing there. The computer says, if there's corn, false. The computer says, nope, no corn. Do doesn't run. This doesn't run at all. It goes to the else. So what will I want to do with the else? Well, I don't know, maybe pick a pumpkin. I hope you're shouting, no, that's not it. Okay, so I already hit an issue here and I want to do it slower, right? So I go forward. I ask the computer, hey, is there corn here? It says false. So I'm not going to pick any corn, but then it tries to pick a pumpkin. Well, if there's not corn, maybe I should check if there is a pumpkin. So let me use the if else, because on this one, we have 3 options. If there is corn, pick the corn. Else, if there are pumpkins, what should we do? I bet we should pick a pumpkin. And then finally, right, thank goodness, we can pick our lettuce. I hope you're saying, no, you're not done. Run. Okay. We have an issue. What's our issue here? So I look, I move forward. Is there corn? False. There's no corn, so my if else is going to be checked. Are there pumpkins? False. Well, then I try to pick lettuce. That's also wrong. Once again, I need to ask the computer a question. I'm trying to make it do something when that is not available. So now, if there are, and I could even switch these up. This defaulted to pumpkins, so that's fine. If there's corn, if there is lettuce, and if there are pumpkins. So first I check corn, then lettuce, then pumpkins. And if any of these are true, I will pick them. Otherwise, the code just keeps running. And I want to show you what I mean. Move forward. Okay, is there corn here is my first question. False. So this is false, this doesn't run. Else, if there's lettuce. Okay, now I'm going to check for lettuce. Else, if there's lettuce. That's false, there's no lettuce. So this can't run. So now I'm going to check the last else. If there are pumpkins. Nope, that's false too, there's no pumpkins. So it hits the bottom of our loop, goes back to the top, and we move forward again. We don't pick anything. Let's see it in action. This is tricky. These are called nested conditionals. But onward.